Hello friends, how are you? I hope all are fine and well. Today I will teach you what is Soax Proxy, how to buy proxy. Step by step I will tell you, and what is the price, how to buy, how to register, many type of questions you have to mind, then how to quality this proxy, like this many type of things I will tell you in this video. That's so let's so get will be start. First of all, if we have to go to soaxsox.com, this is officially website, and this is obviously website. First of all, I will tell you how to buy this proxy and what is the price in this proxy. But before I will be started in this video, how many type of proxy in this website available. First of all, go to in proxy options. It is residential proxy, then mobile proxy, then data center proxy. Like this type of three type of proxy will be available in this website. Here to see location: USA, UK, India, China, Russia, France, and see all countries in. If you have to click it, then it will be top country: Ukraine, Russian, Indonesia, India, Germany, Canada, Brazil, Australia, United States, United Kingdom. Like this, and also all location in Africa, then Asia, then many type of country you have to get, and you have also in live support. Here you have to go live support. You have to any type of problem, then simply clicking to customer support, and you have to many type of questions, then you can clicking in this video, in this website. Okay, I hope you have to learn to how many type of proxy selling in this website, and how many countries in this website. It means all maximum all country available in this website. Okay, it is very important to us. And if you have to connect, then simply click here to customer support, then click. And also tools available: proxy checkers and IP checkers. Like this tools also available. It means this is a proxy checker. Suppose you have to generated proxy, then proxy health is well, and how to use proxy, like this. Then you have to paste and check the proxy. You have to get will be result: proxy is healthy or dead proxy, blacklisted proxy. Many type of here two options you can use. Okay, and processing, I have to go to processing. Processing is here to processing, then residential proxy, mobile proxy, and US data center proxy, and web data API. First of all, I will tell you residential proxy how many prices. So we have two companies, four type of plans: startup, advanced, professional, and business. If you have to low usage, then 3.60 per GB. It will be monthly billing is $90. $90 only, for $90. If you have 25 GB data in every month consume, then you have to pay $90. And advance plan also available, 3.40 per GB. It will be available in 50 GB included. It will 170 170 dollars billing every month or per month. Then most popular plans will be professional plan. It will be priced 2.46 every GB. It will data you have to go you have to get 300 GB. It means every month 740 dollars every month you have to pay. Then we will have to get these options. And business, and last is business plans is $2 every GB. And monthly billing cycle 1600 monthly. And also provided the mobile proxy. And mobile proxy will be have to same prices. Okay. No, residential proxy and mobile proxy both are same prices. Advanced, professional and business plans. Also you have to go US data center, but data center is very cheap, 0.62 GB per GB. It will 145 GB every month. Monthly billing is $90, 0.49 per GB. Monthly will $170. Same prices will be same, but GB will be increase every month. Every month will be GB increase. And prices will vary to low, $0.42, $0.440 business plans you have to buy. And also web data API. Web data API plan will be 1.301k requested, and advanced plan is 1.251k requested, 1.101k requested. Pricing are SAMs, $190, $170, $740, like this prices will be, nothing will be. If we have to start will be trial, then simply go to start. And you have to log in Google account. Simply click sign in button, or you have to make create first name, last name and place email ID, and get started. If you this process, then you have to get one OTP, on your emails. After get one OTP successful, you have to register, then make payment. How to make payment? Make payment will be many type of options. Suppose you have to credit card, debit card, debit card, and cryptocurrency, like this. And here too many of FAQ. You have to any type of question, then you can read what is factory influencer, the prices, many type of proxy, what is the proxy, how many locations, proxy types, many type of question. In your answer will be you have to get in here. Okay. I hope you have to understand in this video. You have to very useful how to buy Soax proxy, and how to use like this proxy. Okay. I will meet you in next video. Thanks for watching.